brother thought I was faking. This is unbelievable. He's fake laughing. He's fake sleeping. Because if he gets well because he's awake. This is a strawberry. And I'm going to put it. They have to wait a little bit. That's unbelievable. No good.
Now I know my baby brother wasn't fake sleeping. Sucking makes babies calm and satisfied while they're sleeping. Some babies love to suck on their pacifiers. They enjoy sucking when they are tired and sleepy. That's how they seem to have special powers, when they eat and sleep. When babies get older, they become much more aware of their surroundings. That's why older kids and adults cannot really eat while sleeping like babies can. Thank you for watching our video. Please click the like and subscribe button. Click the bell icon to turn on notifications so when our new videos pop up, you can watch them first.
Feel free to share the video. If you have any questions, comment down below.
สวัสดีครับขอไลค์หน่อยครับ subscribe ด้วยหน่อยครับขอบคุณครับเยอะมากครับบ๊ายบาย